So hello everyone, once again welcome to another video. Yes, you have seen the right thing. Yes, I had failed in one of my exam. So at the moment I am worrying what will happen for my scholarship because I do not have sufficient credit. Okay, so in this video I am going to tell you how the Italian university they are conducting the exams, how the credit system is related to scholarship, and what will happen if you fail in the exam, whether you will get a scholarship or not. So I am going to tell everything in this video. So friends, watch the video till the end because this is very important, especially for the scholarship. Okay, friends, in Italy almost every university they work under the credit system. Okay, for example, for master students we have 120 credits and also more than 120 credits are there, but it is depend on the course, which course you have selected. And also we have credit system for bachelor and also for PhD. Okay, so for everyone we have to maintain some credits in order to get the scholarship. Okay, I will talk on this matter as you move forward to the video. So friends, for master students in each semester there will be almost 3 to 4 subjects. Okay, maximum it will be 5 subjects, but there will be mostly 3 to 4 subjects. Okay, and each subject will carry approximately 3 to 4 hours or maximum 5 hours per day per lecture. Okay, so one day one lecture only. Okay, and in a week there will be almost 3 to 4 classes. Okay, maximum it will be 5 depending on the course. Okay, but on Saturday and Sunday every university have holiday. Okay, so it is not like that of our country only on Sunday, but here Saturday and Sunday is full holiday for everyone. Okay, even the bachelor, master or whoever it may be. Okay, so friends, now come to the scholarship. As you know that Italy is giving 5,200 euros per year for every students. Okay, as a scholarship. Okay, but friends, here the scenario is totally changed. Okay, this 5,200 euros you will not get directly in your account. Okay, first of all, this 5,200 euros they will separate in two parts. Okay, the first installment and second installment. So the first installment, for example, 5,200 half 2,300 something it will come. Okay, so this half amount everyone will get, means the first installment everyone will get, whoever coming to Italy in the first month or second month everyone will get. Okay, but the second installment, whatever the remaining amount is remained, okay, everyone will not get. Okay, in order to get that amount we have to pass the credits in the first semester. For example, as I told you that, for example, for master degree we have 120 credits. Okay, in this 120 credits we have 4 semesters, so each semester will be for 30 credits. Okay, so we have to pass all the subjects in order to get the second installment. Okay, so I have failed in my exams and I do not have sufficient credits to get my second installment. Okay, and friends, in case if you fail in the exam like me, then what will happen? Okay, but in Italy we have many advantages. For example, if you didn't pass in the first attempt, okay, then there is more 3 chances to pass for the exams. For example, in every month, for example, I have done my exams in the June. Okay, then I have more 3 chances in July, August and September. Okay, so I have more 3 chances to write that exam and again I can pass it. Okay, and in order to apply for the exams we do not need to pay any money or something extra. Okay, simply we can apply for the second attempt and we can pass it. So this is the advantage. Okay, so in that case, if you fail the exams and do not have the sufficient credits for the next semester, then you will not receive the scholarship. So in that case only. And friends, with lots of this opportunity, even though many students they will fail in the exams because they do not know the subject, they do not try to learn the subject. Okay, so for them no one can do anything, yes or no. And friends, remember, if you fail in the subject, okay, and do not pass for the first semester, then you have to return back the scholarship whatever you have got, and you have to pay the tuition fees, whatever tuition fees of your university is there. Okay, so from the second semester you have to pay all the money whatever you have taken. So friends, we have to be very careful. We have to study and we have to pass the exams. So friends, just remember this point because I failed in the first attempt. So I really worried and I thought what will happen for my scholarship. Again I have to pay back whatever I have got the scholarship, and again I have to pay the tuition fees. So I really got tension. And friends, in this way I utilized the second opportunity and I write the exams and passed. Okay, so at the moment I have sufficient credits. I will get my second installments and everything. So no need to worry. So friends, simply study hard and definitely will pass. No worry for the scholarship. Okay, and also in order to get the second year scholarship we have to pass the all credits of the first year. Okay, means you have to complete the 60 credits, then only you will get the second year scholarship. Okay, so these are all the things related to scholarship, exams and everything. So I think I have explained everything. So friend, don't worry, just come here, study hard, definitely will pass. Every students will pass, even average students will pass because Italian government giving lots of opportunity. So even after this, if some students getting failed, then no one can do anything for them, yes or no. So friends, see you in my next video. Bye bye.